Hey guys, in this video I am going to make a smart battery charger which one you can use to charge any kind of battery. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To design the PCB, I am using Flux because Flux is a powerful tool for PCB designing. It's powered by Copilot. Copilot is an AI virtual assistant. It will help to understand the schematic, doing connections, finding errors and much more things. If you are a beginner or a professional PCB designer, Copilot will really help you a lot. You can even design a custom enclosure for the PCB using this software. It will really helpful for you. Head over to flux.ai, link is in the description. And after successfully designing the PCB, I visited PCBWay. PCBWay is a leading manufacturer of printed circuit board offering a variety of PCB including PCB assembly, flex PCB, CNC and 3D printing. To order PCB, I uploaded the curve file and after a week I received my PCB. Here I am going to charge this 12 volt rechargeable battery from Loom Solar. If you want to charge a bigger battery than this, then you have to do two things. The first one, to calibrate the circuit, and second one, to increase the transformer ampere. You can check my instructor list for full guidance, link is in the description. And as you can see, the green LED turns on and the buzzer is also generating a sound when the battery is fully charged. So that's it for today guys, hope you like it, stay tuned and see you in the next one.